Nope.
Good afternoon, Minxy ladies. Good afternoon, Minxy ladies. Guess where you are? You're in the mid-floor of the business right now because we've got a major setup going on in here. I want to remind you that it is, how many days, Joshua? Two days until our big fashion show. What does that mean? It means a couple of things. We've got John here from Obi.
Hi, everybody.
He is doing a full setup. Should we run a look? Just a quick glimpse over.
Absolutely. Come on in, ladies.
Yeah, come on in and have a look. Just a quick, we don't want to just give away
gonna go.
too much.
Yeah, hide that
so
one. This is showcasing. This is what you're going to see on the runway.
We've got our run board ready to go for our models, our beautiful models that are coming to play with us. We've got garments up here. Now, the reason these garments are up here is so that you can come and actually have a play in the mid-floor Friday, Saturday and Sunday.
You get me dressing you. How exciting is that?
Exactly. It's actually going to be John's birthday.
Friday's my birthday.
Yeah. Okay, we love that. And then like the space has been fully converted. We've got Kirsten actually in the background here. Guess what she's doing? Kirsten's going to be helping to style and dress the models on the day, and she's just trying out a few looks right now.
All of the looks.
Yeah, all of the looks. All of the looks. So this is going to be set up so we can literally dress the models in the glory of bits and pieces, all our accessories, and send them off down the road.
Yeah.
Down the road being literally less than a minute's walk from our HQ. If you haven't got your tickets already, I would encourage you. There are very limited spaces now available. Okay, it's a fashion emergency. We've got some naked models here.
Nudie Rudies.
Nudie Rudies ready to be dressed. We've got Cece buried in boxes down the back. Beautiful Cece.
She's trying to hide.
We've got Esther out the back here as well, setting up rats. Look at this colour, ladies. It's a joy to actually look at the moment. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. So our Cece's collections, for those of you who don't know, are Bone and Arrow, Blacklist and 2x2. Is there anything else you want to add? Do you want to add? Yes.
Yes, a little bit of parking details. Because there is parking all down the road and out the front. So you guys, if you're here kind of 6 o'clock-ish, thereabouts, there will be parking out here. Equally, the train station. I've got friends that are training down. So the train station is
right across
right across the road.
I was going to say, your friend Jane commented the other day when she popped in how easy it was to catch the train.
Yeah. What train station is that called?
So it's Te Papapa.
Te Papapa train station.
You want the Onehunga line, which goes from Newmarket. If you happen to be coming from another station, just switch.
Sorry.
Expert train catcher. If you're catching a different line, and you'll want to switch at Ellerslie, Remuera, or Green Lane, and that will get you. Then
Right.
You can get the Onehunga line if you're switching from Southern. Sounds complicated.
Email Kirsten.
Yeah, actually, if you've got any questions on where you're coming from, Kirsten is the expert train catcher.
Yeah.
Kirsten, how far is it from our Minx HQ and the venue for the show?
1 minute.
Yeah.
Maybe 2 if you walk slow, but
Yeah,
it's not far.
it's so close. It's actually in between the two venues. So
Oh, sorry, the train station. Yeah, it's literally just halfway in between.
So it's a 5-minute walk. You've had 2 glasses of bubbles.
Yeah, there you go.
But it's super easy. No stairs. It's just down, literally just down the road. So when you from here, and people will guide you from here anyway. So
do we want to make one quick announcement? Cece, come over for a quick second. Do you want to make a bit of an announcement on what you're actually doing in this mid-floor? So maybe ladies that watch this ahead of everybody else understand that on Friday and Saturday they can come in and experience something, you guys, but also something else.
yes, well, it's a little bit unique because we're going to be set up here. You've got Obi stock, you've got Bone and Arrow, 2x2 and Blacklist. So you've got the ability to mix and match all of that together with stylists, but not only that, you're going to get some serious discount.
Yes.
So
that's the hook I was waiting for, ladies.
Yeah, so
It's a secret.
I'm gonna shop before you guys get here because it's such an amazing deal. Seriously. So you're doing
Buy one, get one free.
It is so good. And,
And I'm just so done with maths. I'm just going to go 50% off.
Great.
So it's just super simple. Or it's all priced, ready to go, and 50% off. So essentially, you're getting a whole lot of product, plus us, plus shoes. So we can deck you out from head to toe, bags, scarves, shoes, everything you require for a fantastic outfit, and you're getting it at very good prices.
So,
What an
I guess-
experience, really.
And so I guess the hook is too that if you do come on Thursday night, you will have the ability to come back here afterwards and have first pick.
100%.
Yeah.
What I would suggest is you ladies, if you know the product, you know that it's good, you know that you're getting a discount, bring your friends as well. So we're doing Friday and Saturday. Like I said, it's my birthday on Friday, so I might be a little bit more generous. So let's just see how it goes. But, come along, it'll be fun. So we're at the Minx headquarters. So you've got a full shoe shop downstairs as well. Plus, you've got all the Minx girls here as well. So you'll get outfitted, shoes, bags, scarves, all in one shop.
Party.
Party, yeah, it will be.
It will be a party. It will be a party. Anyway, we just wanted you to know what was going on in behind the scenes. Like I said, very limited. Tickets still available. Get in quick while you can. We will put a link up below on the site.
So many links.
So many links.
To be
So
honest,
many links.
I think there's only like 10 or 12 tickets left, so you better get going.
Yeah. Thank you so much for your support,
Yeah,
ladies.
thank you for your support, ladies. It's
I look
awesome.
forward to seeing you on Thursday. Woo!
See ya.